Linus? Hey, buddy. Oh. Does that work for you?
I think that's pretty cute.
All right, everybody. This is Linus. His human is one of my co-workers. And a couple years ago, he had some seizures and messed up his back pretty good, and now his back legs don't work. So right now, to get around, he kind of just drags his butt everywhere. Now, that's not gonna work. We got a full shop here. So let's see if we can't make him some wheels. Come on. How do I end up here just about every day? We're gonna start off by kind of drawing an outline of what this needs to look like. There's a wheel. There's a wheel. There's a wheel. I got you. Don't worry. Gotta figure out how tall you are. So it's gotta be 6 inches. All right. Well, Linus peed on me. That's cool. Give him back to Mama.
Sometimes that does happen with that.
That's all right. Who hasn't accidentally peed on me? So we're gonna be building the frame out of this 2" by 8". That'll definitely be sturdy enough. It's got a little flex in it, but it's not gonna matter. That should do the trick. All right, so that's 2½ inches. We need 3½ for the frame to hold them up off the ground. Time to get the ring roller. Linus is that wide. 5 inches. There we go. Homie, I gotta measure you. Can you hold them up? Give me a Hakuna Matata or whatever. There you go. Made you a nice little belt. And I think from there we can take off a diagonal. So we're not cramping his junk. He doesn't still have his junk, does he? No.
Yes, he does.
Dunk this in the water. See how he fits in this. Nothing's hot, right? Nothing's hot. Put your front paws down there on the ground, homie. It's probably a little pokey right now. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right, we're gonna make a little sling for your legs, huh? Right. That'll work. I'm gonna have to put a little seat on that so you're not pinching yourself. But that right there will do it. There you go. go. It's got a little bit of suspension built in now too. Welds on that, so they're not sharp. Oh, Linus, I know I don't really like me either. There you go, front legs down, back legs out. Now we're gonna have to give him something to grip on, I guess.
There you go. Just listen up, Linus.
Trying to stand up on it.
Just listen up a little bit. It's okay.
This is just a temporary solution as far as strapping him in. Once we figure out, how he likes it, then we'll figure out something more permanent. All right, we bring him over here. Let's see if we can get strapped into that. See what happens. All right, one leg on each side. This goes right in front of his ribs. We're gonna have to make like a butt loop for him. Put himself in there sideways.
Yeah, he's wonky.
Alright, well, so tuck you in right there. Alright. Actually, you want to pick him up and
Yes.
stand at the table? See if we can get him to walk towards you. I'm gonna make something for your feet, buddy. Go to mommy.
Oh, yeah.
Look at you, buddy. Look at you, buddy. Go to
Come
mommy.
here, baby.
Go on.
Linus, come on. I wish I brought treats. Come on, baby. Come here, honey.
Oh, I know. I have Slim Jims.
What?
I have Slim Jims.
Come here. You look good.
Oh, there you go, buddy.
Come here. Come give me a kiss. Oh, he goes, that's
Oh, yeah.
like
Come on. Come on. All right, so the problem is he likes to stick his legs out like this. I think we're going to take a solid piece of metal across here, just like an inch tall, that he can push against. And then we're going to need to pad these support bars up right here, because he likes to walk out of it. All right, get Linus in here. We just pick him up, you put him there. No. You gotta get one leg on either side of his little saddle. Get him in there nice and tight. And then he's rip roaring ready to go. Go, Linus, go! Come on, Linus, come on! Oh. Come on, Linus! Oh, oh, you need brakes. All right, Linus, you want a Slim Jim? Come on! Come on, Linus! Oh, Slim Jim. Come on, Linus.
Go, go.
Come on, Linus. Oh. Oh, there you go. You got it.
Hey, smell that. Come here, come here, come here. Yeah. Come here.
Hey, buddy. Does that work for you?
I think that's pretty cute. He likes it.
He's whipping around the corner.
We're gonna go to the park and break that in.
Come on, Linus. Come here. Come here, Linus. Hey, buddy. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for joining me for that video. This is a fun little build. Just took an hour or so. And this guy is out running crazy, moving around pretty quick. It's almost like we got wheels that turn too easy for him. Come here, Linus. Oh, yeah. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you got any questions or if you want to maybe make one yourself and you're in the area, hit me with a comment. And of course, subscribe if you want to see some future videos. Thanks. Go on, Linus, go on. Oh, he's back. What's up? You don't love me, you love Slim Jims. Nom 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 nom.